I understand. Honestly, I do. I'm not just trying to flatter you. I'm trying to get through to you to do what I failed to do 7 or 8 or 18 years back. Back when my backpack was still packed with zapnecks and books. When I hadn't yet learned the art of listening and looking for signs of intentions, indications of interest, did I mention the constant sensations of wondering what would be probably happening with you? I always wonder what you think of me. That's my problem. I try to think for people, even when I'm well aware I barely know them. I try to see the good in every person, but the question is, why do I even bother to try? Because I remember the evening my mama broke a window with an iron trying to run away from you. I was in grade 4. I remember the evening you broke the coffee table out of anger, but the question is, do you? I was only 4. That coffee mug you smashed when mama told you that she used some of the money for my fees to buy us food. How ungrateful. Now every time I snap, I think of you. And remember how I told myself I'd never be like you. It hurts me that I have to switch the radio off whenever they play Mtukudzi song, Baba Manyanya. Because it reminds me of all the things that I never could stand up and tell you all along. Makandi Kanya. See, I'm always blaming you. Even when I'm the one who's responsible, I shift the blame to you. That is my childhood issue. That is my childhood issue. Every Friday night, constantly wondering, am I sleeping at home tonight? Or are we going to have to crash at a friend's place? Because after drinking, Daddy is in his usual violent place. Displays my social connectivity because adrenaline from fear constantly occupied my brain activity. Because while my friends were thinking, thank God it's Friday, I will be thinking, hey, no. Damn it, man, today's Friday.